Today I bring you the best General Tso's chicken recipe. If you love Chinese food and want that crispy, sweet, spicy, and flavorful chicken, stay until the end, because today I'm revealing the secrets to making it better than any restaurant. Easy to make, with accessible ingredients, and the trick to making it extra crispy. Let's prepare General Tso chicken. Choose your subtitles. Ingredients in the description. Ingredients: 1 pound chicken breast or thighs, 1 egg, 4 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, half a cup cornstarch, half a cup flour. For the sauce, 3 tablespoons soy sauce, 3 tablespoons rice vinegar, 2 tablespoons brown sugar, 1 tablespoon hoisin sauce, 1 tablespoon sriracha, 1 teaspoon fresh ginger, 4 garlic cloves, 2 tablespoons ketchup, 1 tablespoon MSG, 1 teaspoon chili, 1 teaspoon cornstarch, 3/4 cup of chicken broth.